Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can report a review or comment in a Steam community. For example, if you believe the given comment or review might have violated any of Steam's policies or TOS. So let us guide you through it. So load the Steam application, and here in the Steam application click into community and navigate to the game you would like to review, for example. So navigate to the given game inside the Home tab. I will go with this one here for demonstration purposes. Click into reviews to access to reviews and click into the given comment or review you would like to report. Click into it, and after that what you want to do, guys, is click into that flag button below the given review, and after that you will see that mask open up here, report review. So Steam will ask you for information and for an explanation why you believe reporting this review is necessary and where the TOS might have been violated by the given report. Just remember, guys, that once submitted, it can't or it won't be able, or it cannot be undone. So only report reviews that are 100% convinced that that is worth reporting. And after that, click into OK here, and the report will then be submitted, and wait for it to be either accepted or to be declined. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.